believe is hard work and prayer, even determination. You should also balance your time. When you are going for, if it's time for prayers, you should go for prayers. If it is time for playing games, you should go. And if it is time for studying, you should study hard. Okay.
I'm from St. Kaggwa boys, and I got 395 marks, and I want to be a lawyer. 87. And I like to be a doctor when I grow up. My dream school is KCPE school.
Douglas Nyanga. I'm a parent at St. Andrew Kaggwa boys, and I was a class rep for the same class that did the last exam. I want to appreciate God for the mercies He was with us, for the care He gave to the young children, the care He gave to the teachers, the supporting staff, and St. Andrew Kaggwa community at large, because through God, that's when everything can be possible. The learners were very, very hardworking. They were ready to work, they were ready to perform, and through that, that's why they had to be split into smaller groups, whereby they could be able to discuss on their own when the teachers are not there. As parents, we also worked closely with the teachers so that we could come up with this success. I want to thank the parents, the great support they gave to these teachers, these wonderful teachers, until we have received these wonderful results. We want to thank everybody. We want to thank the parents and also the government at large, because through its support, that's why we have managed to reach at this level.
Peter Nyamira. I'm the principal of St. Andrew Kaggwa Boys, Nyansiongo. I want to thank God first and foremost for the sterling performance that our school witnessed in the just concluded KCPE 2023. We had 184 students who took their KCPE examination. Out of that number, 44 of them scored 400 marks and above, over 400 marks. We thank God for that. 135 boys scored between 350 marks and 399. Only 5 boys obtained between 300 marks and 349 marks. The lowest mark that was witnessed was 316 marks. Overall, it was a very good performance. It was a beautiful performance. Basically, so to speak, actually 100% pass. As you all know, 350 marks and above, those children qualify for national schools. So, so to speak, about 95% of those learners will transit to very good national schools. Now, all this good performance emanated from the fact that there is teamwork. Teamwork from the teachers, teamwork from the parents, the support staff, and the board of management. There is a lot of teamwork. And we thank God for that. We also got good results because of proper upbringing of these children. We get very good support from the church. The church also nourishes these boys spiritually. They are formed, and you see they are very well disciplined. So, you know, prayer, hard work, and discipline gives us good success. We are really thankful for that. We had actually projected our target was 380 marks, and true to our target, God enabled us that we were able actually to score a mini score that surpassed our initial target. We thank God for that. There's been a very good performance. Actually the best ever. When I was looking at the school charts, this is the best since the school has started, so to speak. Since 1989, through the charts, I've not seen where the students attain, 44 of them could score over 400 marks. So this is a very good performance. I'm very elated, very delighted, very happy, very ecstatic about this performance. And I thank our good teachers. They are the think tank of all this wonderful performance. And the boys were also working very hard, like you heard from them. They were working very hard, waking up as early as 5 a.m. They are in class, studying on their own, sometimes with the teachers. They also attend evening preps up to 9. Even weekends, they could utilize them very well through group work, group discussions, research, using the library, and so on and so forth. That's why you have been able to see a result that that has broken the record. The school records have all been broken. And I know this is the best school now in Nyamira County. Ahead of this, actually, it's like 21 groups, so to speak, like 21 groups. So this one has concluded the 844 system in style, ahead of the rest, or their peers, their predecessors. Concluded the curriculum of 844. Was also a good system. By its standards, it was good. Only lacked a few things. It was actually more or less exam oriented. But the one that we are delving into is individual based and learner centered, where a learner is given an opportunity to learn and also explore his talents and brings them into use. That's basically the difference, but it was also good. They has done its part for the last 9 years, so to speak. As now we open the curtains for a new era, for a new CBC curriculum, we embrace it, and it's doing a good job.